Hello guys, so this tutorial is how to delete from your Chromebook. So first off, you need to go ahead and download this app called CCleaner in the Play Store. After that, go down to Media. Then go to Photos or Videos, whichever you're trying to delete from. You don't have to delete everything. I wanted to delete everything that I have in my photos. So yeah, all those ones that you've seen that were black, they're gone. So yeah, and that's a quick tutorial on how to delete them. Thank you for watching.